Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to collaborate on a document during FaceTime on iOS 18. First, navigate to the FaceTime app on your phone. You can edit your FaceTime calls by tapping the Edit option. To start a new chat, tap the New FaceTime button. Now tap the plus icon to start a chat with the friend you want to collaborate with. Also, you can invite them by message. Once the FaceTime starts, tap the Share button on the top of the screen. Here, you will see the Collaborate app and then choose Notes. Next, hit the Continue button to start collaborating. Your notes will now show your screen, and you can both edit the document together. When you're done, tap the Share Content button and select Stop Sharing to end the screen sharing. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.